everybody, thank you for tuning into this video. My name is Deanne Island and welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright you guys, so as you can see from the title below, we are making t-shirts, but not just any t-shirts. We're making Lupus awareness t-shirts. Now I know that it is the ending of May, but I still decided to post this video because I made it a few weeks ago, and lupus is all year round, okay, especially for our lupus survivors. So with that being said, I just wanted to shout out all my new subscribers and welcome back all my returning subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so that you can know every time I post a new video. And if this is something that you want to see, keep on watching.
First, we're going to start off by removing the sticker off of our shirt. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my fabric measuring tape to measure out how long and how wide I want my design. So we're going to open Cricut Design Space where our design is located, and I saw this in Pinterest and decided to create it myself because who was going to pay that at Etsy? I mean, $2 is nothing, but it adds up, okay? So I measured this design out to be 9.5 inches in height, and I'm going to go ahead and click Make It because everything else looks good. Okay, clearly we did not attach, weld, or group this, so let's go back. Okay, we're going to ungroup the entire design, and then we're going to remove the ribbon so that we can select everything else and group and attach. Now we're ready to make this design. I do want to say, please do not forget to mirror your designs when you're doing iron-on. It is very easy to forget, and the result of that is always disappointing. So please mirror. I'm going to go ahead and click Everyday Iron-On as my material. I'm going to click More for the pressure because I just like to be able to pull it off with no problem. And it's time to cut. For those of you who may be wondering, I am using a Cricut maker, and the iron-on vinyl that I'm using is from the Paper Studio that can be found at your local Hobby Lobby store. I will also link them in the description box below so you can know what color iron-on vinyl and glitter iron-on vinyl I've used specifically. I will also link the website where you can find more material for a more affordable price, because buying at your local craft store can be a bit expensive, but it's more of a convenience when we need to get something done ASAP. So now we're going to go ahead and prep for our weeding process, and to do that I like to cut the excess iron-on vinyl to avoid wasting vinyl when it's time to weed, and I also like to cut as close to the design as possible so that it doesn't take too much time weeding and it's quick and easier. Okay, so next we're gonna place our design on our t-shirts, and here I'm just eyeballing where the center is and measuring the sides to make sure that it is centered, but I don't really have a particular method. What I can advise is going on Amazon and looking for one of those t-shirt centering thingies. I'll probably link it down in the description box as well, but yeah, I honestly don't have a method for this, which I probably need to go ahead and buy one of those shirt thingies as well. Obviously, there's no name for it because I keep calling it thingies. So in the beginning, I did say that it is best if you cut close to the design, because if you leave any excess transfer, that clear part right there, if that's laying on another layer of vinyl, it will definitely mess that up. I've messed up too many shirts like that, so please remove all that clear excess vinyl as well.
Alright you guys, so this is the second shirt that I made, and this is how it came out. You can see the purple ribbon. I put it in glitter. I love where it sits. I wish it could be a little bit more higher, but I just was afraid that I was going to put it too close to the neck area. But it's very much visible and I like it. It's different. I've never seen anything like this, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try on the neck shirt. Okay, so this is the neck shirt that we made. I have to stand a little far because you won't be able to see like the entire shirt if I like move up closer. So this is the shirt. Again, we have a glitter purple ribbon, and this is actually one of my best-selling shirts. So I love this shirt. I actually have a gray sweater. So I have a gray sweater just like it with glitter purple ribbon, and I'm not gonna put this on y'all because your girl got some makeup on and this jacket is clean. We're not doing that. So here we go. If you go on my Instagram, these shirts are still available. I actually have more than these two, so you can just go ahead and peruse the Instagram. My site is down as of right now, but we will be coming back with it. Yeah, that was a mouthful. All right you guys, so I am concluding this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed watching me make these shirts. Again, these shirts are available on my Instagram. You could just DM me and let me know, and I'll give you the price, because again, my t-shirts, not my t-shirt, what is it? Because my website is currently down as of right now, and I'll definitely post on Instagram when it is up and running again. Okay, so if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely let me know what it is that you would like to see in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.